right afterwards. All right, this is something I want to see what you guys think. Here we go.
This is a Fox News alert. News from the President of the United States that there has been an attack inside Iran. Just moments ago, President Donald Trump putting out on Truth Social, we have completed our very successful attack on 3 nuclear sites in Iran, including Fordo, Natanz, and Esfahan. All planes are now outside of Iran airspace. Again, this from President Donald Trump. A full payload of bombs was dropped on the primary site, Fordo. All planes are safely on their way home. Congratulations to our great American warriors. There is not another military in the world that could have done this. Now is the time for peace. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Again, that's just seconds ago from President Donald Trump on Truth Social.
All right, so guys, here's the deal. Let's go ahead and talk here about what we see going on, and I just really want to pick your brain, see what you think. I'm going to share some of my opinions, and you guys can tell me what you think. Number one, I was asking a question to myself, why are we even protecting Israel? Is it our responsibility? Is it not? On the one hand, I know the Bible says that those who help guard Israel are going to be blessed, which I do think this is part of the reason why the United States is blessed, because we're protecting what's important. However, the question begs is, was Israel right in attacking Iran when Iran did not attack Israel? But then the second question that comes to mind is, if Iran is building a nuclear bomb and was asked to stop doing so since they're the most dangerous country in the world, and they also finance, according to news, they finance a lot of different terrorist groups who are terrorizing different parts of the world, and now they're building a nuclear bomb. The question is, should we have moved right now to prevent them from doing so? Because if they're already terrorizing the world and sponsoring terrorism, should we have sat back, let them build a bomb, waited to see what they would do with it, or were we correct in actually doing so? And let's add in the fact that Iran has consistently said that they want to wipe out Israel off the world map, and so they want to get rid of the United States as well. Death to the United States, death to Israel is what's being quoted. So the question again, guys, I don't know what your thoughts are on this, but I'm really asking, were we right for doing this? Are we right? The one thing I can say with all of this that's going on is there's so much chaos going on in the world. It really is a bunch of chaos, and every day is something new. And I know we live in this little cushy United States, but those who are living across different parts of the world, they're really dealing with a lot of hell, and it's just really bad right now. So let's keep each other in prayer. Leave your thoughts. Let me know what you think, because this is, I don't know.